it's me, Caribbean Andy. This whole month on my YouTube channel, I'm taking a deep dive into tiki cocktails. And today, we're gonna make a fog cutter. Fog cutter was originally attributed to Trader Vic. It's still on the menu at remaining Trader Vic's locations. Donn the Beachcomber also had a fog cutter on his recipe. Smuggler's Cove, which is a very popular reference for tiki cocktail recipes, sort of combines those two, mixing Trader Vic's recipe, which called for brandy, with Donn the Beachcomber's recipe, which instead used pisco. Lost Lake in Chicago, their recipe is actually pretty well noted for a fog cutter. And I'm going to kind of draw on all three of those. So today for my recipe, I wanted to focus on the parts of the cocktail that I think make it especially unique. It includes ingredients like sherry and orgeat, which that really stands out to me, and that's what I wanted to highlight. So while many tiki recipes have 10, 15 ingredients, I don't think that's necessary to create a balanced and delicious cocktail. So I'm going to really dial it down and make it super basic for our version of the fog cutter today. So, highlighting the sherry, we're using LaSalle Amontillado sherry, widely available, super affordable, and we're going to treat that like our base spirit. I'm going to do 1.5 ounces. So this really is a sherry-based cocktail, at least the version that I'm going to make today. And then just to add a little bit more ABV and a little bit more body, we're going to use 1 ounce of our rum agricole. The original recipe calls for orange juice. You may know that I don't like using orange juice in cocktails, but to keep a bit of that orange flavor and brightness, we're going to use 1/2 ounce of Cointreau, which is an orange liqueur. We're going to do 1 ounce of homemade orgeat. Orgeat is simply, it's an almond syrup. And then 3/4 ounce of lemon juice, freshly squeezed and strained. Gonna fill our tin with ice. Shake. And then slowly strain it over crushed ice. Pack a little more ice on top. Spill it everywhere. Garnish. And there you have it. My simplified version of a fog cutter. I'm really proud of this recipe because it, I think, keeps the spirit of the recipe intact, focusing on the unique elements, but really simplifies it. It makes it super easy for home bartending, and it's delicious. Oh, it's refreshing, nutty, flavorful. I honestly, this is great. You should try it. And it is still orangey, even without orange juice in there. I really like this. I did a good job.